Fire escape services. Here we are doing inspection in Brighton. This is about 3 stories fire escape with 2 stringers, 2 platforms, and the last platform is made of wood. This wood here is made of 1-inch plank, so pre-existing but not conforming. This was built before by code, but nowadays will meet the code. So all the plank is 1 inch. That won't meet the code. Instructions, all instructions right there. That grill don't belong there. That's illegal. All the stuff on the porch right there is illegal. As you can see, that grill there, it has to be away from the fire escape, at least 10 feet away. Same, this stuff here don't belong on this. That's considered obstructions. It needs a little bit of work on this too. As you can see, all the wood is rotted. It's all rotted. Okay. All this deck considered a fire escape too, because it's attached to the metal fire escape. That stringer is attached to this, so this is part of the fire escape. Okay. Fire escape service. Here we are doing inspection in Brighton. This is a 3 stories fire escape. Any evidence of maintenance? I see evidence of maintenance. Those hex head box bolts. Those bolts are still in good condition. This looks like somebody repaired it before. As you can see, the connections still have square head bolts, some of them. You can see there's 1 square head bolt in it. Whoever repaired it, it missed some of the bolts. Yeah. This grade here, it passed. The only thing is the paint is chipping off. This fire escape is pre-existing but non-conforming. As you can see there, all the connections is still nice and tight, but the only thing it is a little bit of rust. As you can see, all the paint is chipping away. A little bit of rust. As you can see the connections. The connection here is sealed, but it's just rust on the top of them. And it's to scrape it down and paint spotter again. Yep. See this thread is a little bit of bend. This rail on the top is bulging. See the bend? So it's bulging. That needs to be taken care of. Grading is still good condition. And this last stringer, same thing. I mean, the bolts are hex heads. It's been repaired before. The only thing is it needs to be scraped and spot paint. There's another thread right here. That thread needs to take care of. As you can see, it's bent. That needs to be fixed because it's bent. See, all the paint is chipping off. Yep. Okay.